How to change language on Netflix. If you want to change your language on Netflix, it is very simple to do so. Now, let's say you're talking about the Netflix app. You go ahead and open up your Netflix app. Now, do not log into one of your profiles just yet. What you have to do is tap on the edit icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then you can simply go to this option that says your profile right here. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see this. Now, there are two types of language. One is the display language of the overall app interface. So you can go to this display language section and you can choose a language of your preferences and come back. Then next is the video, which is the movie language, like your audio language or the subtitle language. You tap on audio and subtitle language and then you choose your respective language and come back. After you've done that, when you come back, the changes will be automatically saved. Now you can log into your profile and find the new language right there. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.